Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I would be very happy if you subscribe and like and support me. Have a good time.
Dodge and the Fast and Furious movie franchise, otherwise known as the Fast Saga, have been an item since the fifth installment in the series, Fast 5. The relationship is a natural fit. Vin Diesel's gravelly voiced character Dominic Toretto rocks a 1970 Dodge Charger RT. As the franchise slogged on, Toretto's signature Dodge Charger changed in each film. In Furious 7 the Charger was modified with an off-road suspension for some dirt action. In The Fate of the Furious, the Toretto piloted a jet-powered Dodge Charger with ice tires to chase down a nuclear sub. You know, normal Dodge Charger owner stuff. But it looks like Toretto's next Charger is going to be a little more electric. For the 10th entry of the franchise, Fast X, the 2024 Dodge Charger Daytona SRT concept car is making an appearance. It was seen on set during a film shoot a few weeks ago, and the resultant Instagram posts show several angles of the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT while on location in Los Angeles. Additionally, there is a video of the EV driving away from the set while escorted by police. After seeing the posts on Instagram, we reached out to Craig Lieberman, who served as a technical advisor on the first two Fast Saga films and worked with production Tokyo Drift, for comment. Lieberman confirmed to us that the Charger Daytona SRT was on set, at least according to sources close to the production crew. Judging by the images and video, it appears that the scene involving the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT takes place at the either Toretto House or the Bob's Market locations in the Los Angeles area. Recently, some of the local residents got wind of the film production returning to the area and promised to protest, as they believe the films bring unwanted street races and takeovers by enthusiastic fans to their neighborhoods. Dodge revealed the Charger Daytona SRT muscle car during the brand's Speed Week event during the Woodward Muscle Car celebration. The Charger Daytona SRT was touted as Dodge's new direction as it adapts to the rapidly approaching future. The electric Dodge sets itself apart both with its huge power and its Phrasonic chambered exhaust system, which is the literally loud bridge Dodge is attempting to build between purists who need a rumble with the muscle cars, and the coming legislation that will force the automaker to produce more EVs. We're interested in seeing how the film's producers replicate the Charger Daytona SRT's bizarre exhaust note for the movie and how audiences will respond to it. Can Dominic Toretto and his family help Dodge sell electric muscle cars? We'll have to wait until Fast X releases in May 2023 to find out.